Hello everyone. See, I want to talk regarding today is about the career opportunities in coming ahead days and about the exams. See, due to this pandemic called COVID-19, I want to say that it has hit very hard to the particular people as well as students who are searching of jobs as well as who are attending the exams. How it has hit hard, let me tell you that. First of all, I want to talk about the people. People are traveling, they are ready to travel, but COVID 19 has hit a pandemic which has stopped their traveling. Trains, bus, everything has been stopped. Though, how they will search the jobs? Career opportunities have stopped. As I've told in my last video, that many industries uh, have come down, like cement industry, construction industry, which has stopped totally things. Retail and kirana shops, these are something which has started, and online also have started. Online classes, online education for the particular students. Now they are ready to coming with a particular YouTube channel as well as the study channel for the particular students. Let me talk about the particular people. Career opportunities coming ahead nowadays is more about the particular technical things and online things. People who are updated, they are ready to get more jobs. So get your resume updated. About I want to tell about the particular students. Students are getting online videos from the particular their professor who are teaching them, as well as school teachers through WhatsApp and every all the particular internet links. I want to tell you that online videos are there, but according to me it will not work for a long term, because face to face teaching is generally an important thing, and wherein the students learn, they can solve their doubts whatever they thinks they have. And coming ahead, as the government has told regarding that, regarding SSLC exam and PUC exams. So congratulations to the particular government who are conducting during this COVID-19 pandemic. Also, they are ready to conduct the exams with the safety measures. Regarding now, they have told mandatory that sanitizers and masks are compulsory for the particular student, and they have to maintain a 1 meter distance. Okay, so this is a thumbs up and very good initiative made by the particular our Karnataka government, as well as a particular CBSE also all over India which is conducted. So board exams of 10th and PUC will work out very well. So career opportunity in the sense people do BCom, MBA, BBA. I think so. Coming ahead days, there will be a good opportunity because workers are needed. People are living from one place to another, so laborers also are living and workers also are living, because due to this home quarantine period they have suffered a lot, I think so. But I will say that employment is there, employment is having a green signal, as well as the students also. I hope so that COVID-19 comes, it effect very less in 2020 or 2021, and students and people get more career opportunities and the jobs. Congratulations and thumbs up. Let make positive that we are ready for all the particular effects which come. All the people are ready and the students are ready. This is a small video I want to talk. Thank you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Chetan Khapre and watch the videos. Thank you.